we are going on a trek again. Hello, welcome back to my channel, I guess. Today I'm going to Triund Trek. Most of you must have heard about it, maybe already gone to Triund. This is my 5th time doing this trek. First time was back in 2015, I guess. And I just fell in love with the place, man. It's beautiful, the hike is easy, it hardly takes 2.5-3 hours from Galu Devi temple. And you get amazing views from top. And it's monsoon season, तो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेकर्स नहीं हैं. और अगर बारिश शुरू हो जाती है तो इट्स पॉसिबल कि मुझे भी वापस आना पड़े बीच से. सो लेट्स सी. माय इनिशियल प्लान वाज टू गो टू इंद्रहार, बट बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड इट्स नॉट सेफ इन मानसून. So I dropped that idea and then I'm hiking to Triund now. I love coming back here. This is relatively easy, और just 2.5 hour 3 hour की trekking के बाद you get magnificent views. So if you're a beginner और आपने कभी कोई trekking नहीं की है but you want to get into trekking, I think Triund is a good trek to start with. You get the idea of how the terrain can be, and after you are comfortable with Triund, then you can maybe go for multi-day treks. But Triund is a good start. Yes, we agree. I have reached the halfway already. यहाँ तक की trail almost flat है, so you won't get tired too much. After this, the trail gets steeper a little bit. You will find small shops when you reach the halfway. Joju? Hi Joju. I love hiking in the monsoons. Everything is super green. You can spot small waterfalls here and there and cloud cover. I mean, look at this. पहाड़ों का ठंडा ठंडा पानी. Almost there, only 1.5 kilometers. I got lucky with the weather. अभी तक बारिश नहीं हुई है, but I don't think so मुझे ऊपर से कोई अच्छा व्यू मिलेगा because बहुत fog है. See, nothing is visible. But हमें तो चलते जाना है. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. आपके स्कूल में ये प्रेयर थी क्या? Only 1 kilometer left and a beautiful message. When you go for trekking or even any other location, please do not litter. आप जो भी अपना सामान ला रहे हैं, प्लास्टिक की बॉटल्स, चिप्स, कैरी इट बैक विद यू इन योर बैग एंड देन डंप इट रिस्पॉन्सिबली. That is the top. Look at the sky. It's all clear. Okay, a few tips before reaching the top. During steep climbs, do not take long steps. Take shorter steps क्योंकि अगर आप बहुत लंबे लंबे स्टेप लेंगे तो आपकी काफ मसल ओवर स्ट्रेच हो सकती है. Take shorter step, go very slow. Second, if you are not familiar with the trail, do not take shortcuts. Sometimes shortcuts can get very dangerous. You might end up injuring yourself. Yeah. And स्वागत के लिए डॉगेश कुमार खड़े हैं. Hello. And finally, we are here. They're on top. It's beautiful. मैं यहाँ कितनी बार भी आ जाऊँ, I still feel like कि पहली बार आई हूँ. हमेशा व्यूज़ डिफरेंट होते हैं. हाँ, I'll show you some views. ऐसी जगहों पे आके थोड़ी रियलाइजेशन होती है that how lucky I am to be able to have these experiences, see this beautiful nature around me, and how lucky I am to have this body which allows me to do all these things. So yeah, I always feel grateful when I come to such places, sit with myself. That's why I love solo trekking, because you talk to yourself a lot. आप खुद से बहुत बात करते हो, and then a lot of realizations happen. I'm not saying coming with the group is not fun. Obviously you enjoy with friends a lot, but जब आप अकेले आते हो, then a lot of internal talk happens. So maybe give it a try. At least once in life you should come for solo trekking and experience it. It's very therapeutic. Until we meet again. It's 2 o'clock and I'm heading back. थोड़ी बारिश भी शुरू हो गई है. So it will take me around 2 hours to reach Dharamkot. I'm not gonna film going down because same here. So I'll see you in the next one. Happy trekking. हो गई शुरू बारिश.